When you're composing your own fills, don't forget that your feet can be involved too, especially your bass drum. Let's try one that sounds like this. I'll play it up to tempo first. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's break that down a little bit. We're using doubles in our hands, and we're going to play the bass drum first, 2 eighth notes on the snare drum and the floor tom, then the same thing again, bass drum hit, 2 hits on the snare and floor tom, and now just one of each, all together like this. Let's try it again slow. Ready, go. Now let's try a little bit faster. 1 and 2 and ready and go. All right, now up to speed. 1, 2, ready, go. One more time, go. Now we'll play 3 measures of our beat and then the fill. 1, 2, ready, go. So don't forget that your bass drum also wants to be involved in your fills.